always shine for you, and all the things that you do.